Stockinette stitch. Stockinette is achieved by alternating your knit rows and your purl rows. So in this example, we're going to knit our first row. We have 5 stitches cast on. Make sure you're still at 5. So row 1 was all just knit. Row 2, we're going to purl. Make sure for purl your yarn is in the right direction. And you're going to purl every stitch in that row. Your row number 3, you're going back to knit. You're going to knit that entire row. So basically any odd numbered rows you're going to knit. So rows 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. And then your even numbered rows 2, 4, 6, 8, you're going to purl. You can see that the stitch looks different on the right side and the wrong side. So the purl side is referred to as the wrong side. So this is our wrong side of the stitch. And here you can clearly see that those knits. So those, it looks kind of like a letter V, so those V's signify the knit side, and the little bumps are purls. And this is also how you know, like in case you put your knitting down and you step away and then you don't know, am I supposed to purl this row or knit this row? So clearly you're on the knit side, so you know that you have to do a knit. And these are the little purls. So if you're looking at the purl side, you know that your next row is going to be a purl row. Typically in a garment, the knit side, the right side would be on the outside and the purl, the wrong side, will be on the inside. But it doesn't have to be that way. It really depends on your design. There's no rule against purl being on the outside. It's completely up to you.